So let's take a look at what it looks like when we talk about grit plus development and how that equals equity. Now, let me define equity for you. Equity says that everybody matters in the workplace. And what I mean by everybody matters in the workplace, what I'm literally saying to you is equity in the workplace says, look, I'm not talking the 1974 antiquated version of equality. If I got 5 of this, I got to have 5 of that. No, equity is saying if success for your organization is a 50-foot wall, everybody gets a ladder of development. And some people need a 25-foot ladder of development. Some people need a 15-foot ladder of development. Some people need a 5-foot ladder of development. But regardless, everybody gets a ladder of development. And so what that looks like then is you got to be anchored in something. So I'm going to share with you the behaviors that support a grit approach. The first thing is you got to believe, number one, all are capable. The next thing you got to believe is, number 2, development is the key. And then the third thing that you got to be anchored in is differentiation and know that people learn in different ways. Let me go back for you on this. Number 1, all are capable. Number 2, development is the key. And then number 3, people learn in different ways. So when we get differentiation happening, when we have everybody being anchored in the same thing, then we're able to move the needle. So then I get leaders all the time going, okay, this is where I need you to help me at, Dr. Battle, when it comes to that intersection of theory and application. The theory sounds really good of what you just said. Can you share with me the application of how I do it? And I go, I'll be happy to. So here's the first thing that I want you to understand is I want you to understand that first, you got to be authentically me. If I'm authentic in who I am, that then gets me to anonymity, that gets me to reassurance, and that gets me to confidence. When people operate in this way, then the next thing is they believe that if my leader has given me these 4 things, I'm going to get the right opportunity and I'm going to have the right stretch assignment that's relative to what my needs are. Because we're talking differentiation. And then the next thing is then I'm going to get effective support and feedback from my leader. And if I'm getting effective support and feedback from my leader, then as an employee, I'm going to start to lean into some things. I'm going to have a learning mindset. My engagement is going to be up. My performance is going to go up. Now, you as a manager, as a leader, play a significant role in all of this because this is what it looks like when we apply it across the teams that report to you. See, here's the thing. Once you lean in and you set the team free by being authentically me, you set the team free through the lens of anonymity, you set the team free through the lens of reassurance as a leader, and the team gets confidence, they then start to believe that you will actually set them up for success. And I want to be clear about what success looks like. Because in real application, when I'm talking differentiated development, I believe that all are capable. I believe that development is the key and it's a skill set that can be learned. And I also believe that differentiation matters. So it could be you have a person on your team who's introverted. So you may go to them as a leader and say, look, Maya, you do a great job. You are phenomenal as an individual contributor. I'm trying to set you up now for the next big thing in your career, which is leading others. And in order to do that, what I need to do is I need for you to be able to present in front of others. So at our next quarterly meeting, I'm going to let you represent the team and present. Breathe, Maya. I got you. We'll go over the slides. I'll make sure you have them all down. We'll go through all of the cadence of what you need to do. And then what I will literally do is put you out there and I will allow for you to have what we call a learning loop. When we do these things, then we see the needle move.